you guys hate me. I hate myself. I don't know what was going on. Okay, so boom. It's May, right? The videos that you guys are about to see are old, but it's just because, you know, I was a little bit absent or whatever. And so we're just gonna enjoy the content because it's going out there, you know what I'm saying? Me don't want to see nothing in the comments about, oh, Zoe, it's May. I know what month we're in. Believe me, I'm aware. I'm aware, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna get betters. However, just understand where I was at. But baby, I'm back and prepare. I'm not even gonna say it because I don't have the best of luck with saying and actually, you know, so let's just cool. So let's get into it. I missed you guys. I know you guys missed me. Trust me, I've seen all the comments and everything. I love and appreciate you guys, and I can't say it enough how much I genuinely love and appreciate my true supporters. Like, I genuinely love and appreciate you guys. I love that time goes by, you don't hear nothing from me. You guys are on me. Zoe, where are you? What's going on? How are you? Are you okay? Be good. Like, I freaking love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. I don't know how much more I can say it, but I love you guys, and I hope you guys can feel the love through the screen every time I say it, because I genuinely mean it, okay? So I'm about to start a, I don't know what to call it, but maybe, I guess I can call it an early weekly vlog or whatever. But I'm about to start a week with Zoe, but I just wanted to create this snippet to put in front of this vlog that I'm about to get into with you guys, because again, as I said, it's going to be old content, but enjoy it same way and just get ready for more. The weather is getting nice. It's opening up here. It's summering over here. I don't know about where y'all are, but it's summering over here. So yeah, but I missed you guys so freaking much. You don't even understand. I missed you guys so freaking much. I am trying to pick up my camera and get back into the groove of things. So if y'all want to see my face, comment down below. Be active. Share the video them. Comment on the video them. Watch the video them. All of them someday. All right, yeah, and I will see you guys in the next video, whenever that is, whatever that is, which is gonna be this one right now, and then whenever the next one come out. But yeah, enjoy. Bye.
Zoe Sha.
Hi guys, oh my god, they're on me right now. So guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday, so you know it's the start of a new weekly vlog. I'm about to make something to eat.
Hi guys.
You had to come?
Yeah. Hi guys. So today we are going to
Hold on, pause. It's my channel. It's my channel, I don't understand.
Me and the hairs.
What? Okay, pause. Whoa. First of all, I'm doing my introduction. First you say excuse me, and then you can come. Right! So what's wrong with these kids up today? So before I was rudely interrupted by this little girl, my goddaughter is here. And yeah, we're doing a taco nacho fat people night. Okay, we got chocolate covered strawberries, we got Rice Krispies. Well, we don't have them yet, but they're in the making, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. So I got my stuff for my Rice Krispies, got our stuff for my tacos and my nachos, and all of that good stuff. So yeah, I'm currently in the process of getting my stuff together and stuff like that, so I will cook with y'all and you guys can cook with me. And yeah, here, go on, talk to them.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe, if you're new, because you guys do not want to miss no banger videos.
Oh, we don't do bangers on this channel. Okay? We don't do bangers. I'm 30 plus. We don't do no bangers on this channel.
But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.
Period!
Exactly.
Period!
Do not forget to like and comment and subscribe. If you don't like, comment, and subscribe, what are you guys waiting for? It's free.
Period! Period!
And you guys already know she's gonna smash the food down. So
period! Listen
guys,
to the
just
smash
wait.
language website.
Yeah, guys. So right now she is going to make the nachos first.
No, I'm gonna make the tacos first.
Yeah, the tacos first.
And start the rest.
Yeah, because she's gonna start doing something easy first. So yeah. So yeah, guys. So she's gonna start cooking now, and don't forget to smash the like button. So yeah, guys. Make sure you smash the like button. So yeah, guys. We're just chilling. Tomorrow's family day.
Woohoo! It's a long weekend!
Woo! And yeah. So right now I was just playing Roblox. So yeah. Yeah. So I was just playing Roblox and yeah. Yeah, guys. So if you guys are ready for this video, just stay tuned. Because, yeah.
Right, girl, we have to tell the people them say, you're not setting up, you might as well say you lost off the camera, you're not talking, you're not setting up. Everything you just a repeat. So come like, Joel, Jesus, some of them repeats, huh? You don't tell them already what you do, we have to tell them again 10 million times.
10 million times.
I know you for sure whatever you do. You tell them already.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna be showing you guys me playing Roblox.
The channel is called Zoisha. Zoisha has kids.
So, playing Adopt Me, and yeah, guys, I'm actually making my house. So yeah. Woohoo! So yeah, guys. Ooh. So yeah, guys. So she's gonna start seasoning it. Season it. Put the camera right here for you guys so you guys can see her seasoning it. So bye, guys.
Yo, you know what's so funny? Y'all, I said y'all. This little girl used to come to my house. Y'all OGs on my channel, y'all will know who Autumn. Well, I didn't say who she was, but her name is Autumn, y'all. Autumn is my goddaughter, one of my goddaughters, and yeah, she's been on my channel for a long time. Period. And but she hasn't been on in a long time. But it's so funny when I remember her as a baby. I used to literally go and pick her up every single Tuesday when that was my day off and spend the day with her. I used to drive from Women Leave, go all the way to Scarborough, go pick her up. Like them time they like she literally just born, but like I was so obsessed. Because at the time, all I had was sons. Like I only had godsons. That's all that I had. So she came, broke the spell. Twilight, that was my princess. Well, my pumpkin. And then when she get bigger now and start have little sense, rotted. When it was time for Adam to come to my house, her. Lion make her mother come drop her off and go on like say she has stay. And then we have to trick her and make the mother run out. And when she realized the piece of cow ball and she used to put down. Now, can you get her to stop talking?
No.
All she does is talk. It's so funny.
Yeah, guys, so they tricked me and I started crying and she told me to come downstairs and I kept crying because my mom and my sister, they just closed the door and then they ran out.
Yeah, like, shut up your mouth, man. What you crying for?
Yep, and then, like I think it was 20 minutes later and then
20 minutes?
Food. Yeah. We got food. Yeah, it was KFC.
KFC?
Yeah.
I got you KFC.
You did.
No way. Me would I never carry you with KFC. But they
I
have
remember.
some other name than KFC. KFC? I barely go to KFC.
Oh, yeah.
So people may start with a garlic first and the pots. We got 2 craving people here. So we're just gonna use all of it. Let's season. Huh? What? Tell us you watch too much YouTube. Everything when you see on the pidgin them channel, you want me to come put on my channel. Girl, I am big. I am a grown up. My garlic, pepper, and herbs. This is literally my favorite seasoning. And I soon fix the lighting over here. I have my under thingy lights that I need to do, guys, but as you can see, I haven't, at this point, I haven't even put up anything relating to the changes in my apartment or anything like that, just because, and I'm just so annoyed. So annoyed. But if I talk, I'm not gonna talk nice, so yeah. I'm just gonna figure it out and do it on my own and get what I need to get done and call it a day. But yeah, so far this is going on. Autumn, yeah. Call your mom.
I am. I just sent it to you. You don't quote.
I need to find release. I'm behind my mind, you're right. All these thoughts are troubling. Wanting to be on my knee. You want some of your idiot? Adam, you gonna want some of the nachos too? Backside. Guys, so I am starting on my Rice Krispies and I'm so excited because I have been dying to make these, but they have not been in stores. Like there was like a shortage on Rice Krispies, corn flakes, frosted flakes. Like literally there was it was a whole thing. Like from before I left to go to Jamaica, because I wanted to bring Rice Krispies to Jamaica to make Rice Krispies, because me and Joel love Rice Krispies, especially like homemade Rice Krispies. Like it's been a thing for me ever since I was little. My sister would always make Rice Krispies with me, like homemade. So yeah, always been a thing for me. Always love them homemade. Like they just taste so much better. So that is what I'm finna do right now. So I got all of my ingredients. My Rice Krispies 6 cups, a bag of marshmallows, and my butter. And I got my pot. And I'm gonna turn it down. My ground beef is done, so it's almost time So wanna go on cook with me. You understand? Wanna go and cook with me while we make Rice Krispies. Hold on there. Find something if you wanna sit on pan. I left my tripod in Philly. My handheld one. So yeah. Yeah, that's not gonna work. That's not the problem. Okay. So you're gonna add your butter first. That's what I didn't want. I don't want it to cook yet. You're gonna add your butter first. Put in my marshmallows, yeah. I'm gonna put one little toops more butter. Just a little toops. Might ruin the little formula, but put in a little toops more butter. Just like I wish you guys could smell in here. It smells so good. So basically, you're just gonna allow this to melt into like a liquidy form. Allow it to do its thing and I'll be right back. Sorry guys, got carried away, you know, but here we are. Already added them in and everything. I just let the marshmallows become like, not really liquid form, but kind of melt out, you know what I mean? And then you just add in the Rice Krispies, turn it off, and then just, yeah, you're gonna put it in a non-stick pan or on top of some wax paper or something. And let it cool, and then it's all you. Ta-da! So yummy, you guys. So freaking yummy. Oh my god. I've been waiting for this all my life. Oh yeah! That birthday party was so good. Your costume party that year was so good. Yeah, that was one of your best birthday parties. I can't even front. Oh yeah! And the like crushed Oreo thingy. Yeah, girl, we went all out. We went all out. It was. I'm telling you, I am the best godparent ever. And the greatest aunt ever. Like, hands down. Hands down. Like, hands down. Period, poop. Like, no one can come close to me. Period. Period. This little girl could be at my house. You want to take some?
Yeah.
Do a taste test on camera.
Oh, yeah. Hi, guys. Perfect.
Perfect?
Good. Go.
Alright.
Tastes exactly like Rice Krispies, but better.
Period!
She's not one of them.
Okay! Okay! Tell them about your godmommy!
She's the best cook. She's the best dessert she's not one of them. Period. Don't play with her because she's not one of them.
Did you hear what my daughter said? Did you hear?
Don't play with her because she's not one of them.
Did you hear? Okay.
Yeah.
Do not play with you, sweet. You guys are not one of them.
Yeah, because you guys can never compete with her.
Come what?
Compete. That's my new word.
Compete?
Yeah.
Oh, I think you say compete. Me say what is compete?
So don't fight her because she's not one of them.
This can cool. Alright, one thing down.
Actually,
Really good.
yep. Oh yeah,
Put this in the garbage for me, please. Yes, ma'am. I always got work to do. I'm a busy business lady. Alright, people. One thing done. Well, two things almost done. Basically, the meat for there. The taco I go on. So, guys, girls' night is in full effect, yeah? Food done cook. Well, the nachos are in the oven. They're done, though. Rice Krispie, as you guys seen, is done. Check out our spread. What you know about that is taco night, baby. Okay. Okay. I can't, mother. And I got my wine, my Bartonora.
Can I show them my love today? Then they can be jealous. I'm jealous.
So they can be jealous? They ain't gonna be jealous. You don't think these people got food at home? Anyways, guys, I will come back a little bit later when I'm out here when we figure out what movie we're gonna watch and all of that kind of stuff. We still got our Rice Krispies. I still want to make my strawberries. Oh, Mom, my window's open. All of that kind of stuff. So I will catch back up with you guys a little bit later. I'm gonna spend some time with my child. And yeah. But until next time, well, not next time, but until more interesting things are happening, me talk to you after. Later.
Okay, guys, so we're getting Starbucks right now.
It's family day, in case I didn't mention
family
to you guys. So today is Monday, February the 21st, and in Canada we have a holiday. I believe it's the third Monday of February every year. We now have Family Day, where we get a day off to spend it with our families.
Yeah.
However, a lot of us don't spend it with our families. We sleep. And we slept today. I slept in until about 11. Autumn slept in until I started cooking and dropped something on the floor, and then she woke up, which was like, I think after 12. So we were sleeping. But yeah, we're getting, I'm thirsty, so I'm getting something. I actually seen this on is it a reel? Yeah, I seen it on a reel. This is the drink that I'm getting.
Yep, they could see it.
Yeah. So hopefully it looks like that. But I was like, oh my god, can you guys do this? And she was like, yeah. So I tried to get something that was a little bit easy. And then and then this one is getting
a vanilla bean frappuccino.
Just like, girl, you're 5.
I'm not 5.
Okay, no problem.
That's
can I get this?
I'm 11. She keeps saying I'm 5. I'm not 5.
You are 5.
I'm not. Okay, guys, so she
How
just
old are you?
paid 11.
Huh?
Nah.
Oh, I still need 85 cents? Hold on. Debit?
Yep.
It was only $10? Ooh.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
That looks sweet.
See, guys?
Thank
This
you.
is the vanilla bean.
Ooh, it looks so pretty. It looks just like the picture. Thank you. You
Yeah,
guys,
so she just
look
got
at
it.
the drink. Oh my
It's like the picture.
God. Yes, it looks legit just like the picture.
I didn't think it was gonna look like
Me
the picture.
either.
But yeah,
Okay, I'm gonna park for a second, y'all, because I gotta show y'all my drink.
a taste test.
Oh.
So, yeah, we're gonna start parking now. I really didn't think it was gonna look like the
Me
picture.
either. I was nervous.
But hopefully it tastes good.
I mean, it's a lemonade, so, and there's raspberry. I love raspberry. Okay, so Venti lemonade, 3 pumps classic syrup, 3 pumps raspberry syrup, add strawberry base on top. Period.
Good?
Yeah.
She's like,
Ooh.
period.
Ooh.
first, guys. Really good, even though it was way good before. Even though I tried this many times. I haven't had Starbucks in a long time.
Yeah. Anyways, cheers, and it's pretty, just like
Cheers.
me. Oh, cheers.
Period.
Period. Family day with my daughter.
Okay, guys, so don't put with us because we're not one of them. So yeah, guys.
Anyways, guys, I'm gonna finish, well, not finish my drink, but I'm heading to my next destination. I'm gonna drop this little girl off, get home, and get ready for work tomorrow. I don't really know if there's anything else. I'm in the middle of cleaning. I have laundry to go fold. I just finished my laundry and left, and yeah, but cheers for the vlog. Yay! Wait, let me get a thumbnail. Just put it together. Oh, put it down. Yay! Okay. Life from a YouTuber! Y'all, everything about this, fire. Not even lying. Want you? Upset.
Okay, hi guys. So, wait, hold on, guys. Auntie Zoe just went into CIBC, and yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys. See, CIBC, and yeah. So we're just waiting for her, and yeah, guys. So, wait, why did I do it this way? She finished most of her drink. Well, like, kinda half of it. And, yeah, so I'm gonna finish my drink when I get home. So, yeah. There she is, guys.
Okay, guys, Autumn is leaving.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Until next time. When they seeing you again? When are they seeing you again?
Oh, you guys are seeing me, guys, next week? Yeah, next week.
Let's see what happens this weekend.
Stay tuned, guys.
Okay, my baby's leaving me, so yeah, heading home now. Okay, bye.